In this video, I'm going to show you how to connect a prop firm to cTrader. So the first thing you want to do, you want to go to cTrader.com and then you want to create your account over here. And of course, you can sign in as well in case you have an account already. And then you want to click on Get cTrader up top where there's this green button. And then here it says cTrader Broker. So you want to click on this blue text. And this is going to take you to their website, spotware.com. And then on here, you can see the featured cTrader brokers and prop firms. Now, of course, a lot of these are going to be brokers. Over here, as you can see, it says it's a broker. However, down at the bottom, there's some prop firms, such as FTMO, Funding Pips, and Pipfarm, which are connected with cTrader. So what you're going to have to do to actually connect your prop firm to cTrader, you want to click on either Open an Account. So over here, for example, at FTMO, you can click on Open Account. And then you can see it's gonna load up a new website. There we go, and it already signed me in because I have an account over here already. But of course, if you don't have an account yet, then you will just essentially have to create one. So for example, if I go to Pipfarm, which I don't have an account at over here, you'll see it's gonna say choose your account. There we go, and then you'll have to create an account. And then once you create your account, you'll be able to basically connect this with your Spotware and ultimately cTrader. Okay, so after you've done this, let me show you this. You can go to cTrader, you can go to Launch over here. And then inside your prop firm, you'll be able to somewhere see the connection to your cTrader. And as you can see, for example, I connected this broker, which is Pepperstone, where I do have an account. And you can do this the same way with any of these prop firms over here. You just have to create your account, sign into the account, and then inside your dashboard, somewhere you will have to essentially just find the way or the link or the connection to your cTrader. So of course it's going to be a bit different depending on which one you use, but all of these listed over here should have the connection inside your dashboard. So that's pretty much it. I hope this video helped you out. If it did, please subscribe to the channel and help me out as well.